Hello my dear friends, so how are you all? Hope you all are fine. In this video I am covering the big 24 match of Big Bash League which is playing between Sydney Sixers versus Brisbane Heat. Yes guys, this is the competitions of both of in points table number 1 and number 2 teams. So this match is playing in 3rd January at 12:35 p.m. So if you talk about the previous match between both of teams got abandoned without a ball due to rain. So first of all we will move ahead and talk about the points table situation of both of teams. In Brisbane he played 6 matches where he won 4 matches and he is number 1 on the points tables. And if you talk about the Sydney Sixers situations, they also played 6 matches where he won 3 matches and they lost 1 match in this series. So guys, first of all we will talk about the pitch and conditions of 24 match. This match is playing on International Sports Stadium called Harbour in Australia. If you talk about the pitch and conditions, this is totally batting pitch. A total 3 matches have been played in this venue where batting first won 1 matches and bowling first won 2 matches in this venue. So guys, if you talk about the average score is 152 is average score in this venue, and winning toss and bowling first would be right decision after winning the toss, because this situation is totally helpful to bowling first. And if you talk about the weather report, so weather report there are 40% chances of precipitation during the game. Let's move ahead and talk about the head to head comparison of both of teams. So guys, total 18 matches have been played between Sydney Sixers versus Brisbane Heat, where Sydney Sixers won 13 matches and Brisbane Heat only won 5 matches in head to head comparison. So guys, in head to head comparison, Sydney Sixers is looking much more stronger than comparison to Brisbane Heat, but in this points table Brisbane Heat on the top of the tables. Let's move ahead and talk about the possible playing 11 of both of teams. So from the Sydney Sixers, Josh Philippe and James Wills probably open the inning. Cape Peterson will come on first down. Moises Henry, Jordan Silk, Jack Edwards, Sam Hubbard and Joel Davis will handle the middle order from the Sydney Sixers. Ben Dwadris and Jackson Bird will handle the pacing attack from the Sydney Sixers, and Todd Murphy will handle the spinning attack from the Sydney Sixers. So guys, if you talk about the opponent team, which is Brisbane Heat, so Josh Brown and Colin Munro probably open the inning. NMC Renzi will come on first down. Matt Renzo, Sam Billing, Paul Walter, Michin Nessa will handle the middle order from Brisbane Heat, and Mitchie Swepson and M. Kuhneman will handle the spinning attack from Brisbane Heat. So Xavier Bartlett and Spencer Johnson will handle the pacing attack from Brisbane Heat. So guys, this is all about the possible playing 11 of both of teams. Let's move ahead and talk about the fantasy tips, which is more beneficial to create your dream team in your fantasy applications. So first of all, looking by the pitch behavior, picking top order batsmen would be crucial here. Death over bowlers are always excellent wicket taker in fantasy. They can change game anytime in fantasy. So you can pick death over bowler like Xavier Bartlett, Ben Dwadwi. This is the very key players of and death over bowlers of both of teams. In wicket keeping section, both are very good. You can pick both are wicket keeper in wicket keeping section. Batter are play major role in this venue according to pitch behavior. So guys, let's move ahead and talk about the Polysports pre-lineup team of both of teams. So from wicket keeping sections, I am picking Sam Billing and Josh Philippe. From the batting sections, I am picking Colin Munro and James Finch. From the all-rounder sections, I am picking Moises Henry, Mitchell Nesson, Paul Walter and Jack Edwards. This is my 4 all-rounder combinations. From the all-rounder sections, I am picking Ben Dwadris, Mitchell Swepson and Xavier Bartlett. You can also pick Jackson Bird in bowling section. So guys, this is my pre-lineup team where my captain choice is Jack Edwards and vice captain choice is Paul Walter. You can also pick Moises Henry and Xavier Bartlett is a great choice of captain or vice captain. So guys, meet you in next video. Bye bye and take care.